In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create rules so that when you do insert anything into the Autodesk Vault, it will automatically assign that file type that you inserting or checking into the Vault a certain category. So just to quickly show you the categories, if I go to Tools, Administration, and Vault Settings, under your Behaviors tab, you'll see there I've got my categories and my category list. Now, with the category list, I've here got these are just the default categories that Vault does include when you do start it up. So I've got here base category, my design representation, engineering, so data created for design purposes, office, general documents, and standardized design data. Now, this engineering data partakes in my basic release process, flexible and long lead time release process. I want my IPTs, my IAMs, to basically be my engineering documentation. So how do I do that automatically instead of having to first check it into my Vault and then going, right click, assign category, engineering. So under your categories over here, you've got your rules as well. So with your rules, what I can do with this is I can, create a new rule. And you can have rules for both folders, files, items, or you can have custom object rules as well. So just, take a note of that for future reference. So my file rules over here, I can either edit something that's already been present, or I can make a copy. If there's just a couple of things that I'm gonna, sort of choose. Obviously, you got your delete option. So I'm gonna go to new. Okay, I'm gonna say my new rule is my check-in category assignment. Okay, so check-in category assignment. Okay, and I want it to be assigned the engineering category. Okay, so once that's done, we need to go and actually apply the rules to it. So with this, I'm going to say that anything with IAM or IPT must be, must basically have that check-in category assignment rule put onto it. So I'm going to go to my properties, and in my properties, I'm going to go to my file extension. Okay, and with file extension contains IPT. So dot IPT and add it. And then file extension contains .iam and add it. And then at the bottom here, you can see the apply rules on object creation and apply. Okay. So, and that's all you need to do. So now when I go into my Inventor and I check something, an IPT or an IAM in that is not in the vault already, it will automatically assign that category to that over there, instead of me having to go in here and assigning a category to this. Assign the category to this. Okay, great. Thank you very much for watching.